Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how to allow unknown app resources or enable app installation in your device Redmi A1. So if you want to allow unknown app resources or enable app installation in Redmi A1, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to allow unknown app resources or enable app installation.